In which direction does seawater shift when the wind blows? Does it move in the same direction as the wind, or in a different direction? Let's learn about Ekman transport, which is the movement of seawater caused by wind blowing on the sea. To understand the movement direction of seawater by the wind, we first need to know what deflecting force is. The deflecting force is the apparent force that is formed by the rotation of the Earth. It is also called the Coriolis force. The Earth turns around its axis once per day. During the rotation, the low-latitude zone has to travel a greater distance than the high-latitude zone to rotate once in the same amount of time. That is to say, the low-latitude region of the Earth moves faster than the high-latitude region. This gap in speed makes an object appear to curve to the right in flight when it is thrown or shot in the low-latitude region of the northern hemisphere toward the high-latitude region. It appears that way, though no direct force is at work on the object physically. It has been observed that this virtual force is applied on the right side in the northern hemisphere and the left side in the southern hemisphere. Then in what direction does seawater travel in the northern hemisphere? In addition to wind force, the deflecting force works on the surface of seawater. The force makes the surface seawater deflect to 45 degrees to the right of wind direction. If we stack up several books and push the top book while pressing it down hard, the rest of the books move in the same direction. This is because of the frictional force working between the layers of books. Therefore, the seawater deeper than the surface seawater receives the frictional force and shifts the same moving direction as the water in the upper layer. As a result, the deeper the water is, the farther clockwise the seawater moves, and the slower it flows because of the frictional force and the deflecting force. When we project such movements onto the floor, it is called an Ekman spiral, and we refer to this as the Ekman layer or friction layer. The layer ranging from the surface seawater to the depth point where the water moves opposite to its flow. In the whole area of the Ekman layer, the seawater generally flows to the right of the wind direction. This is called Ekman transport. This is a natural science channel. It will help you to easily understand and learn scientific information which you may find difficult, with 2D and 3D graphics. We hope you look forward to learning more.